Hello apes, I'm Andrea and you're watching Meme Market Now, your daily headquarters for all things AMC and meme stock mania. It's Monday, November 3rd, and we've got a packed show just for you. First up, a look at Friday's market action. AMC closed at $3.25, down 3.27% after 3 straight red days, with volume spiking to 9 million shares, even as the price fell. That kind of volume uptick on a dip often signals mounting retail interest and gives us clues about a potential reversal ahead. Despite the drop, the general trend remains upward, and technical analysis suggests that AMC could see a 12.89% rise over the next 3 months, with the stock likely to trade between $3.34 and $4.90 by early February. Apes are watching resistance at $3.43 and support at $3.16. While MACD and pivot signals lean bullish for the midterm. Let's get even deeper into what's moving AMC. Paul's standing by with today's Ape-lysis.
Thanks, Andrea. Paul here, breaking down the data from my office. Let's talk momentum and market signals. While the short-term moving average points to a sell, the long-term average and recent MACD crossovers are sending buy signals, a classic tug-of-war between day traders and our diamond-handed crowd. Short interest remains elevated, with retail sentiment on forums like our AMC stock still fiercely HODL-centric. Discussions on StockTwits and Twitter this morning are buzzing about Friday's high trading volume. Apes see it as a setup for a short-term bounce, especially if resistance at $3.43 breaks. Options activity is heating up ahead of Wednesday's earnings, with many apes loading up on call contracts in anticipation of volatility. Back to you, Andrea, for the next catalyst.
Great insights, Paul. Now, for our next headline. AMC just announced it will report its highly anticipated third quarter 2025 results this Wednesday, November 5th, after market close. The company also confirmed a live earnings webcast, where, for the first time this year, both Wall Street analysts and everyday investors, yes, AMC Investor Connect members, can submit questions directly to management. AMC's Q3 update is a major catalyst moment. Strong revenue or bullish guidance could ignite a new meme rally, while weak numbers may test HODL resolve across the community. Farah is live outside an AMC theater to capture the excitement and community anticipation. Farah, what's the mood on the ground?
Thanks, Andrea. I'm Farah, reporting from outside AMC's bustling Times Square theater, where the vibe is pure anticipation. The apes I spoke to are fired up for Wednesday's earnings and thrilled about the company inviting retail investor questions on the earnings call. Many see this as a new level of transparency and acknowledgement of the retail army's role in AMC's story. Several moviegoers here told me they're loading up on shares, citing optimism for a strong Q3 thanks to a packed film slate and box office momentum. The consensus, apes are locked in, laser-focused on both fundamentals and meme energy, determined to hold through any volatility. Social media's lit with countdowns and price target bets, diamond hands everywhere you look. Andrea, back to you in the studio.
Thank you, Farah, and thanks to all the apes tuning in. To recap, AMC's short-term price action is heating up even as earnings loom just days away, with the whole community bracing for what could be a game-changing Q3 update. If you're fired up, make sure to hit like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and drop your latest AMC price target or DD in the comments below. Remember, apes together strong. Stay united, stay smart, and keep those diamond hands shining. This is Andrea with Meme Market Now, signing off until tomorrow's close.